can see from this page, from 3A, B, C, these three sums we will do. These all sums I will do. Okay. Now, here for these sums, you need to listen to me very, very carefully. You need to listen to me very, very carefully. Only then you will able to understand. First, you understand the concept. First, you understand the concept. After that, while I will give you the time to write, that time only you will write. Okay, write it in your copy. Yes, Rika Prabhu.
Ma'am, we have to write in copy.
Yes, you need to write it in copy, but when I will tell, that time you will write it in the copy. Okay, okay. But because these sums are very, very crucial, you need to understand it very nicely. Yes, Esha. Yes, Esha. Okay, no problem. You just continue on that copy. No problem. I will not listen to any more questions. Otherwise, you will just ask me questions and questions. Now, here I am just giving you a very simple example. I'm just turning my camera off so that you will see me nicely. Simple question means, here suppose I am adding 2 and 3. I am adding, the answer is coming as 5. I hope that everyone can see, right? So here, suppose I made one box over here and I deleted these 3. And I am telling you that just find out how many we will add how much with 2 so that our answer will come as 5. So the answer is very easy. You will do what? You will just take out, you will do this, perform this, and 3 will come here. Okay. Same on the same, like suppose I'm telling you, giving you one more sum. Suppose here, and the answer is coming as 9. Suppose here, how many we need to add? Anyone can give me the answer? Anyone can give me the answer? Yes, Rahat, can you give me the answer? Unmute yourself.
My completed.
Huh?
Why? Ma'am, my completed. I am Rajmulli.
Ra- uh, I'm not telling you about the completions. I'm asking you whatever I'm writing on the screen over this sum. If I'm going to give you this sum and telling you in this box how much you need to, where I am just writing here in this box, or where I am just highlighting this box, okay? How much more you need to add so that your answer will come as 9. So very simple, from 9 we will minus 4, it will come as how much? 5. So 5 it will be coming as the answer, right? So I'm clearing my screen. Now here comes one question. Suppose I this is the one digit number. Suppose I am just giving you like this. Here something you must be needing to add, and the answer will come as 21. Now here you can see we can't do from 1 to 7 minus, we can't do, right? Because this type of minus is there, but in the higher class you will learn. So whenever here you need to fill that, or here sometimes here where I am marking, you need to fill that up with a small, with a number, and here it is a big number, and here it is a small number. What you need to do, you need to consider one as 11. Okay, and now this is much possible. How this is possible to do the minus? So how much it will come? It will come as 4. But the concept is clear. The concept is clear. If yes, just show me a thumbs up. If yes, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, so we will do the sums after I will give you the time to copy down the sums. First, you understand one by one very nicely. Only then you will proceed. I'm really very sorry. I'm just very sorry. I hope that everyone can see my screen. Oh, yes, yes, screen share has been stopped. Now you can see. Now you can see. Yes, Amar, you can see.
Ma'am, we write in copy now.
Wait for a while. First, understand the concept, entire concept. Okay. So after that,
Ma'am, I understand the concept.
okay, no problem. You just wait for a while. Once I will show. I will give you the time to copy down. That time you will copy down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here you can see that first we need to do what? First we need to just complete this part. Okay, so here you can see this is a big number, and here in the answer a small number is there, means 1 is smaller than 9, right? So what we will do in the graph, we will consider 1 as 11, and 9 we will take as a minus, and here it will come as 2. So 2 I will put. Okay, so this part is done. First part is done. Now here, if the number is given like that, then must be then here must be 9 plus 2 11, and there was one carry on, right? So carry on, if 1 and 6 is already there and it is coming as 7, that means in this blank space there must be the number must be 0. Okay, now 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Here 6 is a bigger number. From 6 we will do my 2 minus, it will come as 4. Okay, so all the fill in the blank is completed. Again I am repeating, here 9 was there and here one blank number was there, and we need to just complete it, and here 1 was there. Since I told that in the sum part, if the smaller number, or here if the smaller number is there, we will do what? We will consider it as 11. So that is why 11 to from 11 we have just subtract 9, it will come as 2, and we put 2. Plus now 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be definitely carry on. Carry on also they have not provided to us, right? Now 1 plus 6 is equal to already 7, and in the answer 7 is there. That means in this blank space where I am just writing right now, this must be 0. 0 is just getting very bold. Okay, so it's done. Ones place and tens place done. Now coming to the 100 place, here you can see 1 plus 1 and 5, the addition of 1 and 5 is definitely 6, and the rest of the part is also okay. 1000 place 2 was there, and 6 was the sum, so 4 will be there. Now you can just copy down all the sums by yourself. What you will copy down, I am just writing once more. Just this part you copy down. In the copy, while you copy down, you will write like that. Here just make one box, okay, and write the number. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, like this way you should copy down. Make one box. Handwriting must be very very good. 4, 2, and here write the answers on the same way. I don't have much space to write the answers. Do it very fast. I'm giving you 5 minute time. Do it fast. Try the next sum. I will just come back soon. Means I will definitely tell it soon. a very fun, means these sums are very nice, right? You will, if you are going to solve it very nicely, you will find it very interesting, more interesting than the others additions. So the next sum I'm showing, 5 is greater than 3, so 3 we will consider as like 13. So from 13 we will minus 3, so it will come as 8. Okay. Now 8 plus 5 equal to 13. We will put on the carry on 1 over here. 8 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10. 0 we will put on, and here 1 we will put on. Right? Everyone just pay attention to this sum, whatever I'm solving right now. Now here comes the twist. Here 4 and 1 is there and 2 is there. That means 2 we will consider as 12. 2 we will consider as 12. Okay. 2 we will consider as 12. 4 and 1 is how much? 5. So we will take it as from 5. If from 12, if we are just going to subtract 5, it will come as 7. Right? Now this is very easy. From 8 we are just doing the minus 5. It will come as 3. Okay. So after this, the sum will be, you need to write like that. Right? Everyone understood this concept? If yes, please just nod your head. If you understood all the concept, please nod your head. Yes, yes, Samar, I have seen you. Noida hopefully understood. Rito Probo is just doing like Kharnara Putul, just like this. Yes, Jashmir also just started doing this. Yes, Doipan also, Ashraful, Shaman, everyone. Yes, very good, very good. This sums are fine. You are finding it as very interesting. If you are, show me a thumbs up. If you are finding this sum very interesting, just show me a thumbs up like this. Yes, yes, very nice. So the next sum we will again do. I am just turning off my camera because I am writing on the screen of the laptop. That is why I am just taking the laptop on my lap. That is why I'm turning off my camera, nothing else. Okay. So the next sum I'm going, I will give you much time. Here you can see 1 is the very small number with respect to 6. So 1 we will consider as 11, and excuse me, from here we will do the minus of 6. So here it is coming as 5. here it is now 5 plus 6, 11, 1 is here, and carry on 1 we will write on the tens place, right? So here we will just do, we can do one thing, we can just do one thing. 8 plus 1, how much it is coming? 9. And here 1 means how much? It is also 11. On this is the tens place and this is ones place. Now 11 to 9, while we are subtracting, we here it is coming as 2. Now 7 and 8 is very easy, 15, 5, and 1 will be carry on, and carry on will be sitting on the thousand place. 7 plus 1, 8, and plus 1, 9. Okay, so for after this, the sum will be like this. Just complete this page nicely, you write it how I have shown over here. After that only I will go to the next sum. Sohel, don't tell your whoever is there, tell them to just disturb you after a while, okay? Complete it. If completed, raise your hand. If completed, raise your hand. If 20 students is going to raise their hand, only then I will proceed to the next page. Okay, so 16 participants means 16 of you understood. 4 more. I hope that if you done, just only please raise your hand. Raising hand options you all know. Okay, very good. So I'm just clearing all these things. Going to the next page. There are also many sums are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Unmute yourself. Just my mistake. You have unmuted. So this sum one by one you just try to solve. This sums one by one you try to solve. I will show it right now. everyone should just
Hello, ma'am.
yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, just you inform this class 3B number of 3 students. They are not submitted the OMR sheet.
Okay, who are there? Sir,
I'm telling you the names. Mohammad Asraful Rahman Sheikh,
okay.
Ridima Shakshena, and Shyam Dash. Because today is of the 6th of July, it is the last date of the 5th July. They will not submit today, then we will not take the OMR sheet.
Okay,
I will not take any excuse of them.
yes, definitely. Definitely, rules is rules, sir. No one can break. So
Yes.
Asraful, I'm just unmuting you. Asraful already informed me in the chat section yesterday. Means even very late. I have seen that
Okay.
he sent the OMR sheet by courier DTTC.
Courier, yes. But today morning when I'm taking the Montessori 3B class, his mother already informed, but it is not came Janatun and Asraful. Okay, that is okay. And next of the
I think
Ridima Shakshena, I have informed yesterday also and day before yesterday also, ma'am. I have informed yesterday and day before yesterday.
Yes, yesterday I informed everyone personally, sir. Many of them just was there, told that today we will go and we will submit. They are thinking that.
And what the Sam Dash also and Sam Das brother also in he's in class 6. These two are not submitted.
Sayam Das is there. Just talk with his parent just now.
Okay,
Sayam,
ma'am, I'm leaving. You just to talk with them. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, Sayam. Sayam, unmute. Sayam, unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
तो OMR शीट सबमिट नहीं किया तुमने?
मैम हम अभी यहाँ पर नहीं थे।
कहाँ पर हो?
हम कल आए हैं।
मैम আপনি একটু প্লিজ কথা বলুন।
ম্যাম আমরা এখানে ছিলাম না, আসল কথা এক জায়গায় গিয়েছিলাম একটু কাজের জন্য, তো ওদের ওই মাসিকটা ওর জন্যই সাবমিট করা হয়নি। আমরা কাল রাত্রি বাড়ি ফিরেছি, আজকে সাবমিট করে দেবো।
আজকে ইমিডিয়েটলি আপনি স্কুলে যাবেন, স্কুল শেষ হওয়ার পর স্কুলে অলরেডি দেখলেন শোভন স্যার ঢুকে ক্লাসে আমাকে বলে গেলেন, ঠিক আছে? আপনি ইমিডিয়েটলি স্কুলে যাবেন, গিয়ে ইমিডিয়েটলি আপনি সাবমিট করবেন, করে ওখানে কি হবে না হবে ওরা যদি না নেয় আমরা কিন্তু কেউ রেসপন্সিবল না। আপনি আমাকে একবারও ইনফর্ম করেননি যে আপনি ছিলেন না এখানে। দেখুন
বলে দিয়েছিলাম, আমি স্যারের সাথে কথা বলেছিলাম, তবুও স্যার বললেন ঠিক আছে আমি আজকেই সাবমিট করে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, একটু প্লিজ কাইন্ডলি আজকের মধ্যেই সাবমিট করে দেবেন।
ঠিক আছে।
Okay, rest of the class, please just proceed through D, E, F, and rest of the exercise will be your homework. Okay, homework I am telling you from G to homework will be your. I'm just telling you what is your homework. Okay, G to all these sums means all these. This will be today's homework. 6.
What is the homework?
See here in the here I have marked by this color, whatever sums are marked, these all are homework. These are addition, simple addition. That is why I am just giving you all the sums as your homework. D, E, F you complete it right now. D, E, F you complete it right now. Okay. D, E, F you complete it right now. Meanwhile, I want to take the attendance. D, E, F you complete it right now. Meanwhile, I will take the attendance and I will post all the sums answer in your where? In your study material file. No need to raise your hand. No need to raise your hand. Asraful, if you have sent it, your courier will definitely reach to school. Okay, if you have put the proper address. No need to worry. When just Ashraf will do one thing. If today by evening or tomorrow, you when kobe tumi send করেছো Ashraful? When did you send?